Hey there. I'm going to show you how to let your audience unsubscribe from specific content on your list using tags. The first thing that I've done is I created a little landing page to let people know that they've successfully unsubscribed from a certain tag. Let's take a look at this. I'm going to use this in my emails, whether they're broadcasts or campaigns, when I want to let people opt out of receiving certain email. So in this case, I'm saying, like, you won't receive any more emails about my products. This is for somebody who signed up for my newsletter, but maybe doesn't want my products right now. And if you did this by mistake or want to start receiving these emails again, please just add your emails address below. And then there's this sign up form that when they submit, it adds the tag products. You can see right here. So now, how do I use this? It's actually pretty simple. Let's say I have an email that is all about my my latest products. And it has some information about my products. At the end of this email, I might want to include, if you want to stop getting emails about my products, just click here. And then this links to that landing page that I just showed you, which I've customized the URL of. And if you see in Preview and Test, I have my standard unsubscribe can spam footer if people want to unsubscribe from all of my emails. And then this other link that will take them to my unsubscribe page. So if I click here, that takes them to this page that I just created. So now, how do I actually automate the tag removal? When I'm going to send a broadcast, this is how I do it. When I schedule a broadcast, I go to Tag Automations. I find the URL for that link, and I want to say, when someone clicks on this link, I want to remove the tag products and apply that. Now, when I save it, anyone who clicks on that link and visits that URL will have the tag products removed from their subscriber record. If you want to do this in a campaign, so let's say you have an onboarding email or an onboarding series or some series where you want to let people opt out. Let's create a quick blank campaign. We'll call this just opt out example. And we'll say that this triggers when people have the tag products applied. If I want to let people opt out, I can say, I'm going to choose a message, the one that I just showed you, that has my example. And it also includes that link to my landing page. And now I can add a click automation. So I click Add Automation. When someone clicks a link, find that unsubscribe link, and then say Add or Remove a tag, and remove the tag products. So now what this is saying is anyone who gets that email and clicks the link to my tag unsubscribe page will have the products tag removed from their subscriber record. So that means they'll be removed from any segments that I have that are based on the products tag, and I'll be able to see when I search my subscribers who is subscribed to products and who is not. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will answer any of the questions that you have.